I'm at Bosart, 1934, I think. Not bad. We need to paint this house. It's been through 2 tenant turns now, and it's dark. I think it could just be painted. I'm second guessing myself. Hold on. Living room looks fine. That's the biggest room. Yeah, these rooms aren't good. We need to figure out what that is and fix it. Yeah, let's paint. Let's paint here. Don't ruin the carpet. We're going to clean the carpet. But really, that's it. Clean it. Clean the carpet. Paint the house. Caulk the tub. Has light. Has water. Now, supposedly there's a drain issue here. So I do need Jesse to figure that out. Get this small amount of trash out of here. Clean everything, and we should be good to go. Let me know if you have any questions.